Climb inside the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.